A 53-year-old Indian origin woman detained in the United States. Her case is now raising serious questions about immigration enforcement and human rights. Meenu Batra, a long-time resident of the United States, was taken into custody by US Immigration Custom Enforcement, what we call as ICE. Well, in Texas last month this happened. Her detention has now sparked a wider debate about over the due process and treatment of the detainees. Now, in the recent development, Batra has lived in the United States for more than 35 years. She moved there in 1980s after losing her parents in anti-Sikh violence in India. And over the years, she built a life in the US, became the only licensed Punjabi, Hindi, and Urdu court interpreter in Texas, helping hundreds of immigrants to navigate the legal systems. Well, she was detained on March 17th at the Harlingen Airport, the international airport, while traveling on for the immigrant court assignment. According to her account, plainclothes officers stopped her, questioned her status, and handcuffed her, despite her claim that she had a valid work authorization. Meenu Batra was then moved to the detention facility in the Raymondville, while Batra has alleged serious mistreatment during the custody. She claims that she was left without food or water for 24 hours and denied medication for the several days. While during the detention, she reportedly fell ill with a respiratory infection and even lost her voice. She described the experience as humiliating and said that she was treated like a criminal. The legal issue at the center of such cases is complex. US authorities say that the final removal order was issued in 2000s, while she was withholding for removal. Now, the status which prevents deportation to India, officials argue that this does not grant permanent legal stay. Authorities have also said the employment authorization does not equal the legal status. However, her lawyers strongly disagree. They argue that the detention violates due process and that she is being held without clarity on where she might be deported or not. Well, a habeas corpus petition has also been filed in such case, and the federal court is expected to hear the case soon. Now, with a response from government due by April 21st. In the Meenu Batra case, her family is also fighting for the release. Batra is a single mother of 4, and one of her sons, who recently joined the US Army, has appealed for her return. This case comes at a time when US immigration policies have become stricter than ever before, with reports of deportation, agreements, and arrangements of the multiple countries. Critics say that such actions raise ethical and legal concerns. You know when? Especially in the cases involving long-term residents of the United States. Now, in the end, the key takeaway from Meenu Batra case is this is not just one person's story. It highlights the complex and one often harshest reality of immigration system and where the legal status, human rights, and policies can collide in a deeply personal way. What are your thoughts about this? Make sure to comment down below.